I got gold around my neck, that shit'll make you blink.
YouTube, what is up? What's good with you guys? It's the Bull Nate. Shout out to the Bull Nation. Hope feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. Hold on, got the camera on that. There we go. It was looking kind of off, but yes, we are live. We are here, and I got a big box here because we got ourselves a new monitor. Whew, as my camera continued to shut off randomly, but yes, we got a new monitor right here. So I'm about to unbox this thing, and then we're gonna get to it. Man, it about to be a struggle, cause this is a big ass box. So honestly, this screen is like 31 and a half. This screen, the monitor. So I'm very curious to see how this is gonna look on my display, cause the monitor I have right now is like 27, I think. 26, 27, so like, that's already a big monitor, so this is gonna be kind of crazy. The angel gun, locky stuff in this hole. Damn, son. Alright. I got like footage on the ground. That shit crazy. Packaging engineers for the win, bro. Anything left in here? Nope. Oh, I said it did. Okay. Got a foam and shit in here. Okay, that's good. Alright. So I'm gonna put the foam. Yeah. Endless stuff here. We got the base. What's the power cable? Yep, power cable. I guess this is an adapter for the power cable, okay? Wait, what's this thing? What the hell? Man, I'm confused. I don't know, this some kind of power adapter. Or some kind of adapter, I don't know. And then we got, I guess, one of the delays, I guess? I don't know. this is kind of like a little bit of everything. But could be another base, I don't know. Ow. Dang, I got shot, that's crazy. And then for the almighty reveal. So this is how it look. And if we reveal it, oh my god. Let's hold on, let me expand a little bit, there we go. Oh man. Oh baby. Curve monitor, bro. 31 and a half. That's about to be crazy. So I guess it's time for the assemble. Alright, let's see if we can try to compile this. Apparently the instructions are in here, but we want to see. Oh, they got screws. Okay. Alright. How you put the bit together? How you put this shit together? Like, oh lordy. Alright, so I'm assuming that this is a power cable for something. Was the oven not in the way? Might have to move it over a little bit. Alright, be right back. Yo, this is a big ass monster, yo. Like, oh, okay. Okay. So I'm assuming the screws go on the back. You want to like mount something here. So I think that's why there's these screws and washers right here. I guess you want to mount it, I guess, maybe. Because I'm looking here, it look like this part just hooks on to here. And then, like I said, here's the base. The base you just got like screwing right here, looks like. Which I did, so. I'm assuming that's what the screws is, because I'm like, unfortunately, it's really like no manual, like, all guys are user guide, so. And the user guide just has, you know, none in it really, just was plugged in and all that, so. But, I mean, we do get a decent look at the back, so. Couple HDMI ports. That's where the power stuff is at. They got some. Oh yeah, we got the power buttons right. Oh wow, okay, this is pretty nice. All right, let me put this last piece on, and we're gonna be good to go. I don't know. I'm kind of confused, but all right. Well, that is that. I guess all I gotta do now is just I gotta disconnect this monitor, put in a new monitor. Only thing is I probably gotta move my I probably gotta move my Mac Mini back to the ground, cause this thing will take up all of this stuff. So I got to take some things off, and then we're good to go. Yeah. So let me do that real quick.
I've been told that love can hurt sometimes, yeah. But when I'm with you, baby, time just flies. And I know you're mad at me, but can I slide by? I'm really bad at telling you goodbyes, yeah. I know you heard too many lies. You've been let down by many.
And oh my god, the camera doesn't do this joint justice. Like, look at, yo, this screen is massive, dude. This is a crazy monitor, yo. Like I said, like, the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, you sit, like, you sit down and like see as a person, looks crazy. Like, yeah, this one's crazy. But I guess moment of truth. Turn anything on. Oh, we got power. Beautiful. So I'm about to say, I'm hoping the HDMI is connected too. Because apparently the old monitor only had, which I'll see right here. Looking a little sad, but apparently all the old monitor just had was the HDMI and the what's gonna call it, the power cable. So kind of crazy, but let me see. So it says it was singles, so let me try to figure this out. And yes, look at that. Oh man, let's log in. Typing one hand is kind of difficult. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh wow, dude. This is gonna get pretty. It'll take some getting used to. But everything works. Yeah, I'm gonna say everything's good. Everything, well, not, yeah, everything's plugged in. I'm about to say my let's say I gotta plug in my webcam next time I go live, but outside of that, I say everything is good. Like the mouse works, keyboard's working. I guess my speakers are still plugged in. I know I'm pretty sure this has built-in speakers, but I like to use these, anyway. But yeah, this thing is crazy massive. But as always, if you like these videos, get a thumbs up. Yeah, I say it took me a little longer to build it, but because like wasn't really like any instructions, but I guess you really don't need instructions because literally I connect the bottom to this piece and then combine these two, put one to the monitor, and then you just gotta plug in HDMI, plug in the power, and you're good. Just make sure everything's just plugged in correctly, and yeah, it is good to go. So like I say, like it was pretty simple just taking out my old monitor, put this up there. I just had to make sure this part is on, and then make sure this is on straight and secure. So that's pretty much the main thing, really. But as always, like the video, get thumbs up. I'll catch y'all next video.